हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। टॉपिक इज जैसे BM next level is ask the मतलब question, many question. What is the account opening and process and the bank, and answer is the obtain on the account opening forms and AOP, and forms, and verify the KYC and the document, and contact and customer due diligence, and capture customer due diligence in a capture in the customer in the photograph and signature, and verify in the mobile and email ID, risks and categorization of the customer, and generate and the CIF, and open and the account in the system, and debit cards and checkbook and mobile, and activation in the what next question is just recently asked, what and documents are the required for the KYC is a OBD मतलब officially validate and the documents, right? Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport, driving license, voter card, and job cards, address proof as you can take in the bill, and utility bill and rent agreement, and the passport and the Aadhaar card. What is the AML? AML means anti money laundering. It is the process of the preventing and the illegal and the money, right? Please in illegal in the money and the transaction the through banking channel routes amount is the AML. What is the suspicious transaction? Please you heavy cash and the deposit without of business region, and multiple and small transaction to avoid and reporting, and multiple small transaction, and immediately transfer. If you multiple transaction, if you transaction small type, and you immediately pay amount transfer another account, so it's a suspicious transaction, right? Suspicious transaction, and frequent like a inward, frequent and inward and outward transfer, and transaction in the transaction inconsistent with the customer and the people. And what is just what is the CTR means cash transaction report, the bank report cash, and transaction and above the prescribed in the RBI and FIU units. And next question asked, just only what is the STR means in the suspicious transaction and the report. It is the reported and within the suspicious activity it observed is an account. And what is the transaction the limit and the important into right. Give the answer in the reduce robbery and the risks, improve cash management, ensure in the insurance